today's topic is digital signature. Digital signatures are not digital images of a handwritten signature as its name specifies. Digital signatures are a form of encryption that provides for authentications. They are growing in popularity and have been touted as a way to move into a completely paperless environment. What is digital signatures? As I told you, it is not a digitized image of a handwritten signature. A digital signature is a method of authenticating electronic information by using encryptions. As we know that in the public key encryption section, if the information is encrypted with the person's private key, only that person could have encrypted the information. Therefore, we know that the information must have come from that persons if they decrypt of the information works properly. We also know that the information did not change during the transformation. With a digital signature, we want to take this protection one step further and proceed the information from modification after it has been received and decrypted as shown in the figure. First, the information is put through a message digest or hash function. The hash function creates a checksums of the information. This checksum is then encrypted by the user's private key. The information and the encrypted checksums sent to the receiver of the information. It is sent to the receiver information. When the receiver gets the information, he or she can also put it through the same hash function. She describes the checksum that came with the message and compares the two checksums. If they match, the information has not changed by keeping the original encrypted checksum with the information. The security and usefulness of a digital signature depends upon two elements, that is protection of user's private key and a secure hash function. If the user does not protect his private key, then he cannot be sure that only he is using it. If someone else is also using his private key, there is no guarantee that only the user could have signed the information in question. Secure hash function. How we will implement the secure hash function? If the function is one way, means what? Means the function creates the information, but you cannot create the information from the checksum. The function creates the checksum from the information, but you cannot create the information from the checksum, and it is very difficult to construct the two pieces of information. Okay, so we have to consider two things in mind. Thank you.